Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another video. Yeah. You know what I was singing, but do you know who sings this song? You get a shout out in the next video. First person to name this song, who it was sung by. You're probably not going to look it up anyway, but how do I know if you're not? You'll get a shout in the next episode. I don't know why I've just chosen to do this, I've just chosen. So if you want to shout out, do whatever's necessary to get it by trying to tell me who sung this song. First person to do it, and I'll know who the first person to do it is. Besides me, I'm the first person technically, because I already know who it's sung by, but hey, the first person to watch it. So yeah, further ado, let's start. Yes, I'm also recording in the dark. I don't know why I said that. I was just pointing that out. But here we go. I've been practicing all morning. I've just been listening, not really practicing. In the morning, feeling like PD. The message on at the door, I'm gonna hit this shit. Leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause then I leave for the night. I ain't coming back. Just telling Taylor on our toes. Running all our clothes. Boys run up our phones. Dropping it, playing our favorite CDs. Going out to the party. Trying to get a little bit itsy. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight I'ma fight till we sing the sunlight. tiK on the clock, but the party don't stop. No, don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. tiK on the clock, but the party don't stop. No, number 10 in the world, got plenty of beer. And the money in my pocket, but I'm already here. And now the dudes are lining up, cause I hear we got swagger. But we come to the herb unless we look like me, Jack. I'm talking to everybody getting crunk. Boys trying to touch my junk. Nothing to get a little drunk. And we run to the place out. Police shut us down. Police shut us down. Popo shut us down. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. tiK on the clock, but the party don't stop. And don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. tiK on the clock, but the party don't stop. And you build me up, you break me down. On heart it pounds, air it calls me. With my hands up, you got me now. You got that sound, yeah, you got me. You build me up, you break me down. My heart is pounds, yeah, you got me. With my hands up, with your hands up, put your hands up. Now the party don't start till I walk in. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. tiK on the clock, let the party don't stop. No, don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Tonight I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. tiK on the clock, but the party don't stop now. Boom, finished. Also, yes, that was pretty good. Yeah, but also, let me just grab something. No, see this doesn't. This is a... I'm back. Also, this is a guitar that I own with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strings. It's meant to have 6 strings, but it only has 6. I meant 5 because 1 broke. If you want me to learn how to play it, I can play it in another video. But until then, I don't think I will play it until you guys say. I thought I'd just show you guys that for fun. I hope, yeah. I don't know how to word it, but until the next one, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.